Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best GoPro selfie sticks that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the AFA-ITH upgraded pole for GoPro. The AFA-ITH extension pole is a versatile option for individuals who like to pack light. Coming as a 2-in-1 combo, it works as a handy tripod stand and selfie stick. Thanks to the universal interface, this pole installs quickly and works with most action without adding any adapter or screws. More importantly, this selfie stick is compatible with all GoPro cameras. For enhanced performance, this model also comes with foldable tripod legs as well as an extendable stick that allows for added flexibility, including handheld shooting, fixed shooting as well as framing self-timer. With this model, you can also say goodbye to blind shoot as it includes a shoot phone clip. This feature lets you to only clip your smartphone about 4 to 6 inches on the real-time viewfinder and control it using the phone control. Doing also lets you use your phone and GoPro camera to shoot simultaneously. Above all, this selfie stick comes with textured waterproof aluminum construction and a silicone rubber handle for enhanced insurance for your camera and other devices. Moving on, at number 4, we have the YOKKAO upgraded waterproof selfie stick. Developed using superior Germany nanotechnology, the YOKKAO is strictly IP66 waterproof compliant to ensure excellent performance in all environment. It is compatible with waterproof smartphones, GoPro cameras, and other action cameras, making the whole package ready to work well on rainy days, on the beach, rivers, etc. Unlike other models, this unit also supports Bluetooth control for both cameras and smartphones. Having been integrated with this feature, you can now take group pictures and videos when you are 30 feet away. Even better, you get to enjoy all these advantages in a compact design, so you can bring your camera wherever your adventure takes you. It is also worth to note that this pole is also compatible with more devices than most ordinary sticks. It also easily adjustable and lets you rotate your camera freely, allowing you to take your shots perfectly. At number 3, we have the GoPro official mount, GoPro Shorty Mini Tripod. Are you looking for a grab-and-go extension pole that doubles as a tripod? We got great news for you. The GoPro Shorty Mini Tripod makes an ideal choice that you can bring along to just about any casual activity. Coming in a pocket-size friendly design, you don't need to carry a bag to carry this perfect little partner to wherever you want. Best of all, this tripod is compatible with all GoPro cameras as well as most recent smartphones. Despite the compact design, the Shorty Mini mount also works exceptionally on all surfaces thanks to its inbuilt tripod. Also, it extends up to 22.7 centimeters, allowing you to take group selfies and shots from hard-to-reach angles. As with any other product from this manufacturer, this pole is made from sturdy materials to long-lasting service. It is also water-resistant, so water splash or a little drizzle doesn't have to cut short your adventure. At number 2, we have the GoPro 3-way grip, arm, tripod. Another GoPro official mount, this model boasts of a 3-in-1 design that lets you use it as an extension arm, camera grip, or tripod. This allows for ultra versatility wherever you are while still allowing you to take a variety of shots. This unit comes with a handy handle that doubles as the grip. In case you are using the camera in water or rough environment, you can easily detach the handle from the arm and use it as a camera grip to ensure flexibility while ensuring your camera doesn't slip. This versatile unit also has an integrated tripod in the handle that lets you use it alone or combined with the handle. As with other models from this brand, this extension pole is 100% waterproof and can be used in and out of the water. When fully extended, this pole extended to 20 inches and collapses to 7.5-inch pocket size. Notably, this unit also comes with a simple thumb screw that lets you set your preferred height in split second. And finally at number 1, we have the GoPro El Grande 38 inches extension pole. Most of us have it, a collection of our best moment in each summer. If you don't have them, don't let this summer pass you by. Don't let your GoPro camera lie around while you can document all your memorable moments with ease. Pair it with this El Grande extension pole and take professional shots without hiring a photographer. Coming in a compact design, this is probably the most versatile selfie stick from GoPro. It extends to 38-inch, best in this category, allowing for new perspectives as well as letting you get closer to the action. Coming in advanced design, this unit also includes an integrated ball and socket design at the pole end that lets you make an easy adjustment and swivel your camera 360 degrees devoid of having to unmount it. Plus, this model offers you a premium oversized grip that lets you use both your hands and avoid shaky shots. Moreover, the twist lock design allows for easy customization and use. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.